All right, welcome back. This is something new. This is from the website openfactory.tech. Openfactory.tech, build your own Linux distribution. So I'm assuming this is all going to be with the use of AI technology. So it's giving some examples here, such as building a Debian server with SSH disabled by default. I think it'll give some more examples here. Build a Fedora deployment workstation with Git, Podman, and so on. All right, so let's see. This is my first time here. So we have solutions, pricing, resources, of course, language. You need to sign in, create an account and sign in to try this. Now, I believe this is alpha or pre-alpha. Let's check pricing real quick. Pricing for building, real operating system, not demos. Okay. Start small, then move the factory closer to your infrastructure. Looks like you go monthly or yearly building. All right, the free version, a bounded hosted demo for validating the workflow. Okay, start free, 15 ISO bills a month, 90 hosted VM minutes a month, 3 concurrent VMs. All right. Hmm. Interesting. Okay. Individual builder for builders who need real ISO output without team overhead, shared work team, and more over here. And here's a breakdown here of the prices for all this and the capability of each build. Okay, let's go back here. Let's scroll down and see what we have. Build, deploy, verify, build bootable Linux images, multi-node labs, and so on. Build your own PinePhone OS. Well, that's interesting. Mobile Linux Alpha. Again, this is Alpha. And you can explore Linux distributions. Many choices, of course. Scroll all the way down and yeah. And you can click all variants. All right, let's click this here. Start build. Try one of these. Make me a Debian ISO. Create a headless Ubuntu server. Build Debian 12 with SSH. I don't know. Let me click this one real quick. See what it does. Okay, so again, it's using AI technology to do all this. Now again, you'll have to create an account and sign in to save all of your progress. So do keep that in mind. All right, so this is the theme. Browse variants and toggle build status panel. These are shortcuts here to the right. Okay. All right, let's get out of that. Try Linux. That's another shortcut there. All right, so try Linux distributions online. Launch a real Linux virtual machine in your browser with no local install. Okay, very good. And what else do we have? The console. Okay. All right, keep in mind this is alpha, or maybe even pre-alpha. So it's certainly interesting. I may try this once all this is well, out of alpha stage. It's certainly intriguing. It's probably not something I would recommend for Linux newbies coming, to the world of Linux from Windows for the first time. But it is an option, and Linux is all about choices. So, okay, cool. Very good. Check out openfactory.tech.